Alright, what's up guys? Today's video is going to be of us clearing up these headlights on my little back and forth to work car. See, those are real foggy. We're going to sand them down, then use some clear out the gun to get them back clear and permanently fix them. So let me get this stuff set up and I'll cut you back on. Okay, so we've got some panel prep, the clear we're going to use, some masking tape, a couple microfiber towels, and some rubbing alcohol. My car wrap plastic isn't in yet, so we'll figure out what we're going to use at the time when we get ready, what we're going to cover the car with so we don't get overspray everywhere. But these are the things you'll need to do it. This is basically wax and grease remover, the panel prep stuff. That's all that is. So yeah, let me start getting it maxed off, and we'll start sanding. Oh yeah, we need some sandpaper. Hang on. Okay, so we got some 400, 600, 500, and 2000. Mines are so bad, I'll probably start with the 400, then go to the 600, and then finish it off with the 2000. I brought this out, but I don't even know if I'm gonna use it, so you know, we'll see. But more than likely, I'm gonna just go with the 4 or 6, and then 2000. Okay, so first we're gonna clean it. Some wax and grease remover. Just get it cleaned off. Wow, that actually kind of made it better. Look at all that dirt. But we're gonna fix it even better than that. It's starting to fog back up. I'm gonna do the other headlight. Okay, got it cleaned off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mask it. I think this is 3/4 inch masking tape. I'm actually use a bigger roll. This will be kind of, well, this will be good for right here, but I'm gonna use a bigger roll for this part. Got 1.5 inch. Let's get her maxed off. Okay, so I got that one masked off. Now I got to do the other one. Do that one, and I'll cut you back on. Got Got my sandpaper wrapped around that foam block. We're going to get the sanding. That's the whole clear come up. Alright, in between sanding, we're going to put some alcohol on it. We're going to use a different, clean rag. Let's put some alcohol on it. Wipe that off. That gets all the impurities and wax and grease off. Now you can see the 400 scratches all in it, but we're going to move up to 600 and then 2000. Alright, now they've both been sanded with 400. Let's move up to 600 now. And I changed my block, just a little foam pad. But now we're going to go to 600. All of this is find those 400 and then we'll find these 2000. Not that really clear. I'm just going back and forth, side movement. I want to start with about that. So I'm going back and forth. If you can move it, it's preferably you remove the headlight. Then you ain't got to worry about this taping off of the car, trying to keep you from scratching the paint. Alright, let's clean that with some alcohol. It's getting clearer. Okay, that one's 600. You can see it's already kind of clearing up after the 6, and that's still the 400. So let me do this one with 6 and I'll cut you back on. Okay, both have been done with 600. That's just still wet. It'll fog up a little more. And now we are going to go to 2000, the final step, and then we'll be ready to clear. You can see I haven't even done this one with 2000. I've done that one with 2000 and hadn't even cleaned it with alcohol and a microfiber towel yet. You can see it's pretty clear. I mean, it's still foggy, but it's a lot clearer than the one that hasn't even been hit with the 2000 yet. So I'll do this one and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I don't have my automotive plastic in. It doesn't come in until Friday. But I got this drop cloth, painter's drop cloth. I'm gonna just use to mask around the car to keep the overspray off. It shouldn't get too high, so I'll put it up as far as I can go in the bumper and grill and all that. And we should be good. So I'll cut you back on once I have that done. Okay, so this is the product we're using. The IMP5 800 crystal clear. Then the medium reducer, the IMP 5875. It has a good shine to it, and it mixes 4-to-1. So we'll get this open and get it in our cup. Hopefully I got enough reducer or activator, I'm sorry. Having some technical difficulties opening this can. There we go. Man, that was on there. I gotta wipe that cap. It's a little bit in there. We'll see what we can do. We don't need much. We're only doing headlights. So set that right there. And we're using this 4 to 1 to 1. I'll probably go to the 3 with a clear, and then the activator will go to the second 3 right here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna go to that 3 with the clear. The activator will go to that 3. That actually seems like a bit much. Let's go back. Let's go to the 2. We'll go to the 2. That seems like a bit much for headlights. We're at the 2. So then we're at the 2. So then we'll go to the 2 with the activator. Okay. That should be plenty for this application. Close these cans back up. And we'll stir this up. Compressor's already aired up. The Puma, 5 horsepower, 60 gallon. Stir that up real good. And then I'll show you the gun I'm using. We're going to be using the HTE 1.3 tip. Oh, these are my tables. I don't have a bench yet. I know, it's so fabulous. It is so fabulous. Hey, you got to use what you got till you get what you need, right? Got to start somewhere. All right, that should be mixed up pretty good. All right, let's go get that put in the gun. We already have the filter set up. Let that filter. All right, guys, we're shooting the first coat. We'll probably do 2 coats, 2 or 3, depending on how much I got left. We're doing it at 30 psi. All right, that was the first coat. Wow, you can see how clear it is already. I'll get back with you. And we're gonna let that flash for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes should be good. But it's noticeably a huge difference. I have never seen these lights on this car like this. Alright guys, second coat coming. Alright guys, and that is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's how you permanently fix oxidized headlights. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Later.